So, your dishwasher just flashed the Bosch E14 error, and you're wondering what that even means. Don't worry, we've got you covered. The Bosch E14 error shows up when there's a problem with the flow sensor, more precisely, a magnetic sensor called a reed switch, or kontaktron in technical terms. This little part plays a big role. It counts how much water is flowing into your dishwasher. If it stops working properly, your machine can't tell if it's getting the right amount of water. And that's when E14 appears. Now, before you think about replacing anything, try the easiest fix first. Disconnect your dishwasher from the power supply, then locate the flow sensor. It's usually found near the water inlet valve. Carefully check the electrical contacts connected to the sensor. They can get dirty, corroded, or loose over time. A gentle cleaning and making sure the connections are snug might just clear the Bosch E14 error. If that doesn't work, the sensor itself might be damaged and need replacement. It's not the most expensive part, but if you're not into DIY repairs, calling a technician is always a safe bet. On average, fixing this issue professionally costs between $90 and $180, depending on your location and the service provider. So next time your dishwasher flashes the Bosch E14 error, you'll know what's going on. A little cleaning might do the trick, and if not, now you know who to call.